Respect the privacy rights of others when flying your drone. Privacy laws apply to photos, videos, or other information collected by your drone. Remember these privacy guidelines when using a drone for fun. Be responsible. You're in charge of any personal information your drone collects. This can include a person's name, the photo of a person's face, or a license plate number. Limit the data you collect. Don't collect personal information you don't need. Ensure any personal information you capture without consent can't be identified. For example, blur faces or license plates. Get permission. If you are likely to capture personal information on your flight, take steps to tell the people you film and get their permission. Store information securely. If you save recordings that contain personal information, take steps so only you can access the information. Be open and responsive about what you're doing. If someone complains that your drone use is affecting their privacy, respond with respect and courtesy. Know before you go.